Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your user ID on your Best Buy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will end up back in the home page. Now, if you wish to change your username, simply hover over to your account icon and click on it, and then click on Account. From the Account menu, go ahead and tap on Account Settings. And now you will see the Change Your Account Name option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can click on the Update button to change your username. Just enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address to verify your identity. Once you enter this code, click on the Enter button. And now you will be allowed to change your name. After entering your desired name, click on the Save button and your username will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your Best Buy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.